Welcome back to another Dallas, Texas apartment tour. Today I'm in the city of Addison, Texas, and today I'll be reviewing and showing you guys 2 units in this community complex. So let's get the name of this community because I've seen so many apartments. This one is called the Cortland Addison Circle, and the 2 units that I'll be showing you guys today is their 1-bedroom and their 2-bedroom unit. So we are currently in the 2-bedroom unit. So a little bit of information about this unit. This is 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and the current price is starting at $1745. It's 1053 square feet, and it's the B1 floor plan. So they have tons of different floor plans, but this one is B1, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the whole entire apartment. So as soon as you walk into the apartment, you have your front door. To the left, you have the laundry room, which has the washer and dryer and a shelf. The flooring in the kitchen is tile, and then for the living room and the bedroom is carpet. So this is a view of the living room from the side. You have natural sunlight coming in, and you have your ceiling fan. And then to the left right here, we are in the kitchen. So here's a view of the kitchen. So it's a nice open kitchen. You have your little island. You can put bar stools right here. You have the cabinets above the refrigerator, the oven, and the microwave. So it's a lot of cabinet space. There's the lighting for the kitchen. You have drawers from the left to the right, and then look at the backsplash. It's like this metal like finish in the back. This is pretty cool. I like that. So like I think it's useful for when if you're cooking with grease and you know how grease splashes everywhere. Well, that can be easy to wipe off, so that's a plus. So you guys seen cabinets before. I'll just open this drawer, but I won't open all the drawers and cabinets. But here's a drawer, and then let's look at this cabinet. Here's a cabinet, and then oh cool, so up there there's lighting above the cabinets, which is pretty cool. And then you have a whole lot of counter space. So you have your sinks, you have the cupboards underneath here, you have another drawer, some more space and storage space, and your dishwasher. You have your pantry to the left. Let's open that up. And then you have some more cover space, which is awesome. So yeah, this is a pretty neat, like they utilize the whole entire space. You can put decoration above here, which I like that the apartments are starting to do that. So you can put your decoration or whatever you want to put up there. So we're gonna just show you guys the living room. I keep saying we're, but I'm talking to you, so we're together, okay? So here's the living room. This is a nice open living room. If you wanted to put a dining table, you could put one right here and then have your living room set right there. So you have your coat closet, which is right beside the kitchen. Bedroom, I think that's bedroom number 2. And this has to be, yeah, this is bedroom number 1, I think. So we're gonna go to the first bathroom to the right. And you see your linen closet. You see your sink, which has 1 sink, cupboards, and drawer spaces. A big old mirror, which is a plus, a lot of light, your toilet, and then your bathtub. And now we're gonna go to the bedroom. So this has to be bedroom number 1 because normally the master bedroom has a bathroom inside of it. So yeah, let's go into bedroom number 1, which also has carpet. It has a ceiling fan and a ton of natural sunlight. And then we're gonna see a sneak peek of the cameraman. Now I think the cameraman is, cameraman out please. So this is a nice size walk-in closet. Okay, so they definitely utilize the space. You have some racks right here, storage at the bottom and the top. You have some more racks, some more storage, more racks on this side, and then you can put things at the bottom. And there's carpet in here as well. All right, we're gonna take you to bedroom number 2. So here's the hall. We turn right. back in the kitchen, living room, and this has to be the master. So here's bedroom number 2, same size, and you also have a ceiling fan, carpet, and then natural sunlight, 2 windows. And you have your own bathroom for the master. So both bathrooms actually look the same. The difference is one has 1 sink and then this one has 2. So you have 2 sinks with this one, cupboard space, drawers, the toilet, and a big old mirror. Oh, so this one has a bathtub, and beside it has a shower. So that is cool. So here is a walk-in closet, and this one looks bigger as well. So let's walk into the closet. It's a little bit dark. You have, okay, so behind the door, you have racks going down. And then you have some more, you have shelf space at the top, at the bottom as well. So you have a lot of space. There's tons of storage space. Then you have some more racks over here and space. And then going up as well. So a lot of space to put clothes in here. And a different view of the bathroom from the closet angle. So this is the 1 bedroom and 1 bath, and the floor plan is called the Goodman, the A3 floor plan. The current starting price is $1,225. So if you would like to come to this apartment complex, you can also view this model home. So this is the end of my Dallas, Texas apartment tour. All the information about this complex, the unit number, pricing will be listed down below. One last time, I want to say this in all my videos, the pricing always changes, so if you want to know the pricing for this unit, make sure you call them. Click the link and then it will show you all the floor plans and the current going rate and price. So right now it's a different price, tomorrow will be a different price, so make sure you call them, click the link, and you'll find out the current going price for this unit. Also, if you want to contact me, reach me on Instagram or comment down below your questions and I will answer it as soon as possible. If you guys want to support my channel so that I can continue to do more apartment tours, you can send me a donation on my Cash App, will be listed down below. And yes guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.